Hello and welcome to an instructional video for December's craft kit for adults. I'm Rosalie with the Wichita Falls Public Library, and this month we are making recycled magazine Christmas trees. Kits will be available today while supplies last, and each kit will include the following items: 2 magazines, 3 types of ribbon, a wired garland strand, a pipe cleaner, and a bag of jingle bells and decorations in assorted colors. For your tools, you will need a hot glue gun and scissors. First, open your magazine and fold the first page by bringing the top right corner of it to the center of the magazine and creasing your fold. Next, take the bottom right corner of your folded page and bring it to the center of the magazine, creasing that fold as well. You should have just a little bit of paper sticking out of the bottom. The last thing we're going to do is fold in that bottom part of the page that's sticking out. All you have to do is just tuck it under the page folds and crease. Make sure that the fold is even so that the tree stands right. Now repeat those 3 steps for folding on every page, including the front and back cover. Now that all of your pages are folded, get your hot glue gun ready. Stand up your magazine and bring the front and back covers together. I'm just using a couple of lines of hot glue on the inner part of these pages and pressing them together to keep it open. You can repeat that process on any pages that just aren't fanning out right. I only had to do this about 4 times to keep my magazine open and standing. And now we're ready to decorate. You can do these steps in whatever order you like. I chose to start with one of my ribbons as garland. You'll want to test out placement before gluing, and you'll notice that the pages move a lot while you're trying to glue, so go slowly and allow each dot of glue to dry before moving on. For one of my ornaments, I have these foam candy pieces. Your kit may have these, puff balls, or both. All kits will have jingle bells in them as well. The candy pieces are self-adhesive, but I'm using hot glue on each just to be safe. With these and the jingle bells, work slowly and hold each piece in place until dry, especially if gluing on the edge of only one page. Follow the same process with your wired garland. Shaping the garland while you're trying to glue can be a little tricky. I definitely suggest trying to shape it and test your placement before you start gluing. And as always, let your glue dry before you move on to the next one. Lastly, I'm just folding my pipe cleaner into a shape of a star for the topper. This step is optional. If you have something else you want to use, go for it. Or you can use the pipe cleaner in a different way. The only thing I did off camera was shape my wire ribbon into a bow and glue it to what I consider to be the front base of my tree. Each kit will have 1 piece of wired ribbon for this purpose. This is a nice, fun craft that can be done together as a family or by yourself to relax while keeping the Christmas spirit. We will have 16 kits ready at the service desk, first come, first serve. Please take 1 kit per person. We hope you enjoy this craft and post your results in the comments of the Facebook post. Until next time, happy holidays and stay safe.